If you want to fix incoming calls not showing on a Motorola signature, then here's what you can do. So first thing that you can do is actually go to settings, and we're gonna open the modes settings in here. Here we can find the do not disturb, and this is the reason, one of the main reasons why you might not see incoming calls on your screen. When someone calls you, they might not display on the screen. So you just want to make sure that the DND mode is not activated. Sometimes it can be enabled by some apps, maybe some features, and you might not be aware of that. Now another thing that we can do is we can go to apps. Over here, tap to see all apps, and then we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to system settings. Now over here, once you have the system settings enabled, we're gonna use the search icon, and we need to search for a phone app. So once you type phone, we can find the phone app over here. This is the main phone app, which we're gonna force stop over here. There we go. You can also go to permissions in order to make sure that these permissions that you can see over here are granted in your case as well. If something is not allowed, then you want to go over there and allow the permission. You can also go to notifications, and of course you want to make sure that all notifications are enabled. So make sure that full screen notifications are allowed as well. You can also tap on unused categories in order to make sure that other stuff is on as well. And then we're gonna go to storage and cache, and you want to clear the storage. Once you clear the storage, we can go back, and then we're gonna continue. We're gonna go to the phone and messaging storage, and in this case go to the storage cache, and you want to clear either storage or cache, depending which one you can use. If you can use storage, if you can clear storage, then you want to do that. If not, then just clear cache. Then we're gonna go to phone calls, and you want to do the same thing. So go to storage and cache, and then clear storage if you can. If not, then clear cache. And then we also have phone services, and do exactly the same thing. There we go. Now we're gonna go back, and instead of phone, now we're gonna type call. There we go. And let's see if we can find something. Okay, so in this case there is no app like a call management or something like that, so we can skip that. So that should be pretty much it. Now once we are done with that, I can actually hide system apps now. What you want to do is you want to restart your phone. So go to the power menu, and then you want to restart your phone. Once that is done, you can open the phone app, and you might notice that the phone app now looks a little bit different to what it was before. But that is fine. This is just the old design that just appears because we deleted the storage of the phone. So after some time, it should revert and go back to the newer style, newer design that you know from the beginning. And yeah, and hopefully this time you can actually see incoming calls again. So give it a try. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.